If you've had an idea for a digital product or offering for a while now, save this video because I'm going to talk you through the 3 things you need in order to turn that idea into income. So the first thing you need is a way to promote it. Now that could be a marketplace like Etsy, it could be Pinterest, could be social media, could be TikTok, all of those things that you're already using. Heaven forbid, it could even be a face-to-face conversation. Next, you need a way for people to pay you. So when they say yes, when they've heard all about your amazing thing, then they can pay you. You just need a Stripe account or a PayPal account. You can create product links now, which makes it so much easier. You don't even need a sales page. And thirdly, you need a way to deliver what you've sold. Could be given by email, could be simply a link to a web page. It's going to give them a download. Could be a Facebook group. Don't overcomplicate it. And that's it. Just 3 things: a way to promote it, a way to get paid, and a way to deliver it. If you've got an idea for a digital product, then just give me a shout. I'll tell you exactly what systems you need and how to link it all together, and you can start turning your ideas into income.